And we're getting ready for summer holidays. So we won't, I'll make it for Memorial Day, but you probably won't, even though we're really fast in shipping. But I wanted to do something that was transformable, that didn't just work when I wanted red, white, and blue. So a little bracelet that I added, a little flower, it's removable, so you don't have to have it on all the time. And then, of course, once you take it away, it becomes nautical. So I'll show you how to do everything I did, but I want to show you proportions while I'm here. You've got really three parts that you're going to do. You've got the stitched part, and then the released part, and then the border at the bottom. And so you want to do 2 to 1 to 1/2. And that's how the proportions will work. So up here I did 16, then I did 8, and then I did 4. And you can break that out however you want, however tall you want this to be. The sleeves are 1 to 1. You could put border at the bottom if you wanted, all of that stuff. But let's come a little closer and I'll show you how I did all the sewing. It's such an easy idea, you guys, and I just love it. It's just exactly what I wanted. I love it. I love stripes, you know, they're everywhere. And a little touch of red makes it perfect for Memorial Day or 4th of July. All right, so let's go to the table and see how we did. All right, so just let's take a little bit closer look. The fabric I used is this blue and white. It's a cotton knit. I love it. Oh, it's so soft. It feels so good on you guys. But anyway, you're going to look for a stripe that has thin and then thick, and take away the thin is what you're going to want to do. And what I did is I serged it. You don't have to serge it. You could sew it, because this blue doesn't actually show through the white, which is really surprising to me, because the white's not really thick. It just doesn't show through. But what I did is I serged the blue off. So I went to the back. I just folded the blue in half and just serged that blue completely off. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. I did mine a little asymmetric. Don't get caught up into the, making it perfect, because it's the look that's just adorable. Bell sleeves are in right now, so that works. You want to do it about the same so that it's all sprouting out together. So basically I just took 1.5 yards of fabric, and I cut it the length I wanted, and then went down 16 inches with all of my stripes that I sewed, kind of like this. That's actually my neckline, and just sewed the whole entire 1.5 yards. Keep going until you can take your pattern and fit it on, and that's how you know you have enough. You don't want to do more, because I just sat around and watched, a movie or something, listened to a movie while I was serging away, and so it was fun. And I knew that what I wanted was going to be really fun in the end, so that was really fun. All right, so once you do that, you lay your pattern on, you cut it out, and then measure how much of the release you want. And again, because I wanted it asymmetric, I don't think you can see this at the bottom, but anyway, I cut it asymmetric, and then added the border. And the reason I did that is because I wanted to wear white capris. I really wanted it to look nautical, summerish, and then of course the holidays, I could put some red in there. So I put that trim at the bottom, so that I could come in with the white jeans and pair it that way. So this is that beautiful navy knit. You could have, one thing I did think about is, like, I've got that red lace. I could have used red lace for the border. And I thought about that, and the only reason I didn't is because it made it permanent. And I really wanted it to be not red, white, and blue permanently, but that was me. I could have come in with red slacks. We've got some great red fabric. I could have done that also. So many ways to celebrate it, but very easy to do. So just take away the stripes, serge it away, cut out my pattern, assemble it just like always. I did use 2 different patterns. I used my tank top front, and I used my sweater set back. I did that just because I wanted, my armholes were the same. I didn't have to worry about that. And I wanted a little lower neckline in the front, and I wanted a little higher neckline in the back. And so, hey, that's the only reason I chose those patterns. You could use the French curve. I did a little fold over elastic. It's a navy blue at the neck just to finish the edge. And I love it, and I hope you love it too. The goal is to have happy sewing at Silhouette Patterns. Thanks for watching. Bye.